The female reproductive system is truly a masterpiece of biology, and at the center of it all are two small but mighty organs, the ovaries and the fallopian tubes. These structures are the key players in producing offspring, regulating hormones, and maintaining overall reproductive health. Let's start with the ovaries. These almond-shaped organs, one on each side of the uterus, have a dual role. Firstly, they produce and release eggs, a process known as ovulation. Secondly, they act as little factories producing essential hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which influence not just the menstrual cycle, but also broader functions like bone health and even mood and skin. Inside each ovary are thousands of tiny follicles, each containing an immature egg. From puberty until menopause, one follicle matures and releases an egg each month. Yes, each month. Amazingly, a woman is born with all the eggs she will ever produce, around 1 to 2 million of them, but only about 300 to 500 will be released over her lifetime. Once released, the egg travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. And here's where our second star player comes in, the fallopian tubes. These delicate, slightly wider than a straw, 10 to 12 centimeter long structures are lined with tiny hair-like cilia that gently sweep the egg towards the uterus. At the open end of the tube are these finger-like projections called fimbriae, which catch the egg at the moment of ovulation. But the fallopian tubes aren't just a passive pathway. They are the site of one of the most incredible events in the human body, fertilization. When sperm meet the egg in the tube, they compete to penetrate it. And if one lucky sperm succeeds, fertilization happens, forming a zygote. This new life then continues its journey down the tube to the uterus where it can implant and start developing into an embryo. Isn't it amazing? The ovaries and fallopian tubes are not just essential for reproduction, but also full of fascinating details. Did you know that the ovaries take turns releasing eggs each month, one from the left ovary this month and the next month from the right? Also, the fimbriae of the fallopian tube are so sensitive that even slight damage to them can affect fertility. That makes the fallopian tubes one of the most fragile yet crucial parts of the reproductive system. Sadly, many women face issues with their ovaries or fallopian tubes, which can lead to infertility. But for those who do conceive, these organs are a silent miracle, working tirelessly to bring new life into the world. So there you have it, the ovaries and fallopian tubes, small in size but monumental in their purpose, orchestrating the complex dance of hormones and new life. They truly are the unsung heroes of the reproductive system. Do you find these female reproductive organs fascinating? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.